Good morning, students. Myself, Charu Mahajan, your computer teacher. Welcome to the computer practical session. In this session, I am going to tell you the steps of creating a table in MS Access and how to insert data in your database. So, watch carefully and be alert to learn the steps. Let's start. You have to click on blank database in the welcome window of MS Access. Then write down the name for the database. Here I am going to write grade 8. Now click on create. This window will appear. One table is just open in front of you. But what you have to do is just close this window from here. Go on create option, click on table design. Here you can declare your field name, data type and the description. Field names are those fields which you want to add in your database. If you use the table opened already created, it's very difficult to change the field names. Again you have to come to the design view. So it's better to create a new table from the design view. Admission number should be always in numbers. I have given it the number data type. Student name, we have used underscore. You can use only underscore here. No space will be given in the field name or no any special character can be used. You can't use hyphen, you can't use @ only the underscore you can use in your field names. In date of birth we have declared the date and time. In the contact number we will declare it in the number. Now we will press Ctrl+S to save the table. When we press Ctrl+S, it will ask for the name of the table. When we give the name, it will show in the navigational pane. Now we are going to declare the primary key. Right click on the admission number and click on the primary key. It will make the admission number as the primary key. Ctrl+S to save and cross. Now double click on the table name. It will show the table in the datasheet view and you can enter your record here. You can type your data here according to the field names and the data type. In date of birth we can choose any date from the calendar. We can change the year, or if you want to change something we can do that. If we don't want additional field, we can delete it by clicking on it, selecting and removing it. This is the way to enter the data in the database. Now press Ctrl+S to save this data in your database. If you want to change the view, if you want some field to change, you can just right click on personal information and click on design view. It will again go to the design view of the table. If you don't want to change anything, just right click on the personal information and click on datasheet view. This is how you can switch between both the views. After saving, you can see the table name here and your data is in your table. It's now ready. This is the way to create a table and enter the record. Okay, that's all for this session.